get us
Hey,
off.
we're here in Cozumel, Mexico at the cruise port. We're with our friends Brenna, Aaron, and Gabriella. Heather and I are just excited to be here. They've got a few things they want to say.
Hey, this is really cool.
We got so many helpful tips from these folks. Watch their YouTube videos. They're amazing. They are so knowledgeable and they're so super friendly, and we're so glad we finally met
Yes,
them.
and they have a voice of trust.
Definitely.
Absolutely. We appreciate all their insights.
Enjoy.
So we hope you enjoy your next cruise on Royal Caribbean. This is Rob and Heather signing out. We'll see you at the next one.